Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete ad account in Facebook. Now go to facebook.com and on the left side, like with these options, just click on see more, and once you click here you will see this option called ads manager. So you can just right click on it, open link in new tab, or you can just directly open this from this link and you will be sent to the ads manager. Now in any case you are not able to see ads manager in this section, so what you can do is just go to the URL and just enter facebook.com/ads manager, press enter, and you will be redirected to the Facebook ads manager. Now as you can see, I have been sent to the ads manager. They both are same. So once you are into the ads manager, so you will be seeing an interface like this one, or you will be at the account overview like this page. So from here what you need to do is just click on this left side and go to the end and just click on add account settings. And once you click on add account settings, so you will be seeing all these settings like pages, payment settings, notification settings, and add account setup. So just remain in the add account setup settings. And inside the add account setup settings, you will be seeing some settings have moved and business payments, which is the second option. So you can just choose business payments, and inside business payments, you can see an option deactivate ad account. Now this is the feature added by the Facebook, deactivate ad account. Once you click on it, so Facebook will confirm it. Do you really want to do it? So just click on deactivate ad account, and once it is deactivated, so after 30 days it will be automatically deleted permanently from your Facebook account. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can delete ad account on your Facebook. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.